Today I'll be talking about SamFw version 4.9. You can use this tool to remove Samsung FRP lock with one tool. After extraction, run the setup. Click on next, install. The main function of this tool is to remove FRP lock, change CSC with one click. This is now we have the tool here. The functions here is you can use the tool to remove FRP lock devices, MTP. With MTP, you can use this model to factory reset your phone, enable secret code for Verizon, or to disable factory reset mode. You can also use this tool to change your CSC, especially your Samsung devices. It supports fast boots. We have the ADB model to here. You can use this model to change your device serial number, and you can also use this model to remove Samsung accounts, enable mobile data toggle, root your device, change CSC. With the changing of the CSC, we have the manual and the automatic. We have the option here too for the Mediatek devices, those using Infinix and Techno and stuff. You can use this model to factory reset your devices to remove FRP. Now we go to the download mode. With this one, you can use this model to fix your device whenever you are having boot loop challenges. You can use this same model to factory reset your device. We have Wooden Flash. It's a tool for flashing Samsung devices. If you have flashing files, you can come and be loading them here. A BOL, AP, CP, CSC data, then flash. We have the Xiaomi model too as well. You can use this model to bypass Micloud accounts, fast boot, side load, remove FRP on Xiaomi devices. We also have the LG model too. Same functions. We have the Android model too, especially for the brands that are not available with this model. You can use the Android category to fix your issue. The first model here is ADB to check your battery information. We have the FRP here to bypass the FRP lock. App manager, you can use this tool to load your apps on your device or to delete them, to disable them. You can also use this tool to remove screen lock, which requires root access. You have the Mediatek, which performs the same function here: factory reset, to format user data, remove FRP, unlock your bootloader, relock bootloader, and to bypass authentication. We have the Qualcomm Snapdragon devices, especially if you are using Sony Xperia, then other supported. You can use this tool to perform the same actions. Everything you need to work on your device, whether it's Samsung, Xiaomi, LG, Android, Qualcomm, Mediatek, everything is right here with you.